YouTube, Big Sis 1616 here, and I am doing the claw plushie palooza whatever it is I'm going to name it. I don't know how many gems I have. Okay, so might have enough, and I will here check off what I have. So let's start. We just want a crocodile. Green crocodile. I don't know what I'll use. I'll just use this color. I don't know how to use this exactly. I'll find out. Here. We'll just use this. And okay. Yikes. Um, I'll just use this. There we go. Let's use red as yeah, 'cause I think it'll. There we go. Yeah. So there you go with that one. Um, so lucky. Wait, what the heck is this letter? Sorry, gotta check it out. Street buddies. Whatever. Oh yeah. This dang thing. Okay, that'll be better with her. Since I don't have too many. That is thing. Okay, alright, oh dang it. Do not send me any gifts cause it will stay stuck. Like I just do this. I cannot keep it because it says join the club, yada yada. I just wanna see. Oh, that was so join the club. So if you, oh, that's cool. Is that your what? Let me find out what's on how it's like if it's a wrist item or I think it's the spike color. There. Okay. Whatever. Let's keep on going. Um. Okay, another one. Yay! Oh, cute fox plushie. I always like those fox plushies. And is it on here? Oh, here it is. There we go. Here we go. Just random spot. Here we go. Another red monkey, which is gonna change it to white if that works. Wait, where the heck are the? Oh, here we go, monkeys. See if the reds. No, dang it. 'Cause I don't have enough. There we go. 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 There Go back to the thing. I'm doing it with this. I'm doing it with this account because I would get really confused with my other account, and I do not have any den items on this account. I only have a AJ wristband and all the plushies I'm getting right now. Yay! Oh my gosh, I got an eagle plushie. I did not have it on here, so I'm gonna here. I'll pause it for a second and try to get them on. Okay, I got this part. I cannot get or find them, so or the Arctic Wolves ones. Okay, so I got this guy. What the heck? Oh, that's the thingy. Chicken. Okay. Well, that's. I am. There we go. Let's try it again. Ah, another one. Yay. Oh, another red monkey plushie. I am going to say that I got a. So, my tally marks on. Wait. Um. So other plushies. I'm not the best at writing. With this. So we got one other plushie. This is going to be an interesting chart. So, yay! Nope. Dang it. Oh, okay. Pink rhino. Interesting. Plushie. Oh, here we go. Do do do. Do do do. Okay. Cross that one out. Keep. Okay. So I will. Oh my gosh, he's so cute. I will try to find the kangaroo plushies and put them right here. Here. Area. And I'll pause it again. I am back from wait for me. I had dinner. So I kind of just lost that kangaroo plushie. Wait. I want to see something. Oh yeah, sure. Whatever it is. So yeah, I just lost that one. Whatever. Let's keep trying. Yay. I just lost our kangaroo plushie. It's so sad. That little guy right there. My brother's talking. Okay, whatever. So leave in the comments below what I should name this, or I don't know. I'll be thinking of a name. Yikes! I'm running out of time. Um, so I will keep doing this. I don't know how to fast forward videos yet. Oh jeez, I'm like getting none. This game hates me. Okay, I'll go under this bunny. No, seal. Dang it. Panda bear, yay! Give me something, yes! Lucky panda bear, and it's an orange monkey. So exciting. There we go. I'm just gonna. Okay. Panda's not looking anymore. Try wolf. There we go. Dang it. Well, I think I might stop it there. I'm gonna try once again. Oh yeah, the koala. Like monkey plushie. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so many monkeys. If I just get this one, it's going to be weird, or red-eyed one, or hair one, whatever one. Okay. So, I will put them in my den now. Yeah. With the table, I'll put there too. Doop 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 doop. There we go. Wow. I'll put them in line. I got this idea because I was watching. I forgot, and it was 1 second, people. I'll pause it. Oh yeah, Animal Jammer, 330. Her plushie pile up. It was actually I liked it. So well, I didn't like it yet, but I just liked the idea. So I wanted to start my own. So yeah, there we go. I'll just put the table for awesome plushies. Um, that I really like the phantom plushies I'll put on here. Well, if I get any, which I don't think I will. Um, that space is 1616 for you, and I will be dancing on top of my table. Oh, it's my plushie done. Okay. Okay. Bye, YouTube.